Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on how to create a retro After Effects like coloring on CapCut. So first, just add your clips and go to filter. Find the retro category and then select the friends filter. Okay, this one, and adjust it to 100. Then click on adjust and copy the settings that I use. So for the brightness, lower it into -5, contrast increase it to 5, and then saturation increase it to 10, sharpen 100. Then click on the highlight and increase it to 50, shadow -15. And here just click on a check icon, and now go back and go to text and add any text that you want or any letter that you want. Here I'm going to just add an I like this, then zoom it in until it cover all of the clips like this. Go to style, and here just adjust the opacity to around 10%, and change the color to black. And now go to animation and then loop, select the flash animation, just scroll down until you find flash. Okay, this one, and adjust it only for 0.2 seconds like this. Click on a check icon and adjust it for all of your clips. Okay, so now go to overlay, add overlay, and add this damage film overlay. I got this from TikTok. Maybe you can just find one and just fit the size like this, and then go to blend and select filter. Click on a check icon, and now you are done with the retro coloring for your video. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to click thanks, like this video, comment, and also subscribe. Bye.